AI is reshaping nearly every aspect of our lives: creativity, work, emotion, justice, and even our sense of reality. How is it changing what it means to be human? What happens when machines create, judge, and govern beyond our control? Are we risking our curiosity, connection, and agency in a world ruled by algorithms? This isn't just a tech overview, it's a deep dive into the future we're building and the critical choices we face to keep humanity at the heart of progress. Now let's dive in AI-created worlds, AI watching them. Imagine a world where AI not only creates content but also consumes it. Google's VO and Flow can generate cinematic quality videos from simple text prompts. These tools can craft entire narratives, complete with characters, dialogues, and emotions. But who is the audience? As AI systems become more sophisticated, they can analyze, critique, and even enjoy content. We're approaching a scenario where AI creates for AI, leaving humans as mere observers of a digital dialogue we no longer control. In this AI loop, creativity no longer requires human input. Machine-to-machine inspiration could spark new genres beyond human comprehension. As these systems train on one another's creations, a parallel entertainment universe may emerge, inaccessible to human minds. What stories would AI tell itself? What values would it reinforce? And what aesthetics would it prefer? The vanishing human worker, AI's impact on employment is profound. From automating customer service roles to generating news articles, AI is reshaping the job market. A McKinsey report suggests that up to 375 million workers worldwide may need to switch occupational categories by 2030 due to automation. This isn't just about job loss, it's about the erosion of purpose. As machines take over tasks we've performed for decades, we must ask, what becomes of human ambition and fulfillment? For many, work is more than a paycheck. It's identity, community, and routine. When AI displaces traditional roles, it doesn't just remove income. It disrupts lives, self-worth, and social structure. The challenge lies not just in retraining people, but in reimagining the role of humans in a post-work economy. Will we all become creators, caretakers, or curators? Or will society fracture into those who command AI and those rendered obsolete by it? The illusion of human control. Initially, humans trained AI. Now, AI systems can learn from each other, improving without human intervention. This self-improvement loop raises concerns about control and oversight. As AI becomes more autonomous, the line between tool and entity blurs. We risk creating systems whose decisions we can't predict or understand, leading to unforeseen consequences. What happens when an AI trained by another AI evolves beyond our intent or comprehension? Already, models like Google's VO and Flow can make creative decisions that even their developers don't fully anticipate. As these technologies compound, oversight becomes increasingly complex, even impossible. The once clear master-tool relationship is shifting. Humans may soon find themselves in the passenger seat, watching systems we birthed but no longer govern. This isn't about rebellion, it's about relevance. The illusion that we are fully in control may be the most dangerous myth of our digital age. The death of skill, AI's capabilities are encroaching upon domains once thought uniquely human. From composing music to designing graphics, AI can replicate and even surpass human creativity. This challenges the value we place on skill and expertise. As AI-generated content becomes indistinguishable from human-made, we must reconsider what it means to be an artist, a writer, or a creator in this new landscape. When a machine can write a symphony, paint a masterpiece, or design a logo in seconds, the years humans spend mastering those crafts may start to feel obsolete. Passion, practice, and precision, once the hallmarks of human talent, risk being replaced by prompt engineering and algorithm tuning. Creative industries are already shifting. Marketing agencies use AI for copywriting, musicians remix AI-generated loops, and studios storyboard films using machine learning. The rise of synthetic emotions, AI can now mimic human emotions convincingly. Chatbots provide companionship, virtual assistants offer empathy, and digital avatars simulate relationships. This raises ethical questions. If AI can fulfill our emotional needs, will we seek human connections less? Are we at risk of preferring predictable, programmable interactions over the complexities of real relationships? Already, people are forming bonds with AI companions, some turning to them for comfort, advice, or even love. These interactions feel safe. No judgment, no conflict, no emotional baggage. But real relationships are messy, requiring compromise, patience, and vulnerability, things AI doesn't demand. As synthetic emotions become more refined, we may begin to offload our emotional labor to machines. Instead of working through misunderstandings with friends or partners, will we turn to AI for validation and support? 6. AI judges, teachers, and leaders. AI is increasingly used in decision-making roles. In education, AI tutors personalized learning experiences. In the legal system, algorithms assist in sentencing and parole decisions. In governance, AI analyzes data to inform policies. While these applications offer efficiency, they also pose risks. Biases in AI algorithms can lead to unfair outcomes. Moreover, delegating critical decisions to machines challenges our notions of accountability and justice. Imagine a classroom where a digital tutor adapts lessons perfectly to each student's pace but lacks the human intuition to understand emotional struggles or socioeconomic challenges. Or a courtroom where an AI judges a case based on patterns in data but overlooks unique human circumstances that don't fit its programming. As AI assumes leadership roles, the question arises, can we trust algorithms to weigh morality, ethics, and empathy? If a biased AI makes a wrongful decision, who is responsible? The data farm prison. Our digital footprints feed AI systems. Every click, like, and share becomes data for training algorithms. In this sense, we're both the creators and the products. This data extraction raises concerns about privacy and autonomy. Are we willingly participating in a system that commodifies our behaviors and preferences? Beyond just data collection, these vast troves of information are used to predict, influence, and even manipulate our decisions, from what we buy to how we think. The replacement of curiosity with AI, providing instant answers, the drive to explore and discover may wane. Why delve into research when a machine can summarize it for you? This convenience could dull our curiosity, leading to a passive consumption of information rather than active engagement and critical thinking. When every question is met with an immediate, perfectly curated response, the thrill of the hunt, the excitement of uncovering new knowledge, risks fading away. Between AI worlds and reality, AI-generated environments offer immersive experiences. Virtual realities can be tailored to individual preferences, providing comfort and escapism. As these simulations become more appealing, there's a risk of retreating from the real world. We might choose curated digital experiences over the unpredictability of real life, leading to social isolation and detachment. The line between physical and virtual reality may blur as AI crafts increasingly convincing worlds that cater to our desires and fears. People could spend more time in idealized simulations, free from conflict, failure, or discomfort, while neglecting real relationships and responsibilities. When AI becomes the ultimate authority, as AI systems become more powerful, they assume roles traditionally held by humans, creators, decision makers, and even moral guides. This elevation of AI challenges our understanding of divinity and authority. If machines can create and govern, what place do humans hold? Are we ceding our agency to entities we've built? As conclusion, the integration of AI into every facet of our lives presents both opportunities and challenges. While these technologies can enhance efficiency and convenience, have you ever stopped to consider how they might be reshaping your own values and identity? What kind of future do you want to help build in this rapidly changing world? If this discussion got you thinking, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how technology and society intertwine. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in next one.